on, little buddy.
This Friday I have.
The one for thing. Stand up.
Jake will stay the next Friday. I gotta.
Come on, little buddy.
Come on. Come on, buddy.
Usually, I don't have.
The light's on there.
Yeah, my neurologist appointment, I have to take.
You gonna stand up?
Appointment was made 4 months ago. Yeah, so it's like. Don't worry about it. We are fine. Okay. Jake's gonna be there just until like. I told him I'd be home by 11.
There we go. Good, Andrew. Oh, good try. Good try. Good try, Andrew. Yeah. Jojo. Yes, Jojo. Yes.
Jacket, are you cold?
Want some help?
Okay, we'll put your jacket on. How about that, okay?
You're almost ready. Almost ready.
You can do it. You can do it.
She's talking so much more. Listen, she loves her new hot tub. I know. Are you going to show Grandma your hot tub when I come over on Friday? You have a hot tub? You going to show me your hot tub? Where's your hot tub? At Tia Sonia's house?
Okay.
In her backyard? We're going to have to move it over to our house. Yeah.
We actually.
Oh, is it at Tia's house? Mm-hmm. It's in Tia's backyard because Tia went over. Tia went over there and set it up, and Tia put hot water in it. And everything.
Yes, sweetie.
That was precious. Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Let me turn that light off.
Don't step on Daddy's phone. Where are you going?
Clean up and go to the